Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called pipeline inventory. Pipeline inventory, also known as pipeline stock, is used to refer to those goods that have left organization's warehouse but are still in company's distribution chain as they are yet to be bought by the ultimate consumers. This concept is similar to work in progress inventory where the product is still under production, whereas in pipeline inventory the finished goods is still under the process of delivery. The inventory with Amazon, which is still to be delivered but has left the warehouse, can be considered as the pipeline inventory. Pipeline inventory calculation is very simple. The pipeline inventory can be calculated by knowing the demand rate and the lead time. The demand rate is how much inventory is ordered in a particular time. Example, 1000 milk cartons in a week. The lead time is the time difference between a company makes the goods and the point in which it will take it to deliver. Hence, the pipeline inventory is equal to demand rate into lead time. Pipeline inventory example, let us imagine a scenario in which a customer has ordered a phone from a company on cash on delivery payment term, cash on delivery payment. The phone has been packaged and sent through the logistic partner. The phone has left the inventory base or a warehouse, but it has not still bought the money or has not reached the end customer as of now. This phone is an example of a pipeline inventory. Sometimes we also call this as a goods in transit. Need not be a finished goods, even it could be a raw material coming on the way to your organization. Thanks for watching. Bye.